You know, Bill, Dave, Kraz, you know, all the other guys, you know, just, you know, this is Gabe from NFE Tactical, you know, and then I'll just turn over to him. It's, but I just want to get in here so he knows that this is fun, because I've sent them videos before, but it's his hand, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Not me.
And
So,
we're comparing yours to a fucking, just a commercial, non-pyro smoky bomb. If you want to say that just as a comparison, that's fine too.
all right, let me know, you ready?
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, so Bill, we're comparing two different types of smoke grenades. This is Gabe from NFE Tactical. He makes the one at the rear. This is a smoky bomb in the front. We're going to compare the times and also cost-benefit analysis and volume of smoke. Wow, yours is actually going pretty long, Rich. That's longer than I thought.
That's what she said.
Yeah. Wow, yours is actually, I did not give that little fucking picture thing any credit, dude.
Oh, well, dude, grab a weapon, take a knee. I want to get a photo of you with the smoke on it.
Yeah. I don't have a weapon.
Turn to me. Now take aim. Alright. See now, this thing is still fucking just kicking it.
How much to go there? Breathe deep.
Good bomb hit.
And this is half the size of the large ones that he has.
Oh, okay.
Don't pick it up.
That is hot. You're
Yeah.
not kidding.
Yeah, you can't touch that.
That'll be cool to the touch. You can hold the other one. But
Cool, colors always have to burn cool, because otherwise,
All right, stop recording.
otherwise it just burns the